Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question from the topic permutations and combinations. Here question is 6 teachers and 6 students have to sit round a circular table such that there is a teacher between any 2 students. The number of ways in which they can sit is, there are 4 options for the answer: 6 factorial into 6 factorial, 5 factorial into 6 factorial, 5 factorial into 5 factorial, and none of these. Okay, so let us see the solution here. First of all, you try to understand the situation. 6 students and 6 teachers have to sit along a round table, correct? And there is always a teacher between 2 students. So suppose if any student take any seat here, you have to be careful that any clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation of the same set of students and teachers, there will be no difference. Simply rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise doesn't matter. It is not a new set. Okay, so first students can sit anywhere, and remaining 5 seats are there for students. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 seats are here for the students. Okay, remaining 5 seats. So as we have discussed, as we have seen so many questions in previous videos, that 5 students or any 5 persons can be arranged in 5 places in how many ways? 5p5, as per the basic formula of permutation, 5p5. Okay, so let one student takes any seat first along the round table, correct? Then 5 students can take their seats in how many ways? There are 5 students and 5 6, so 5p5 ways. Okay, 5p5 ways. Okay, and here for expansion of this number, for evaluation of 5p5, we'll use the formula. The formula is npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r whole factorial. N is total number of objects and r is the number of objects taken at a time out of n, from n. So we are having 5 students left for sitting, and all of them have to be selected. So 5p5 each. Okay, now 6 seats are left for teachers. 6 seats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 seats are left for teachers, and teachers have to take these places. And in how many ways they can occupy these places? In 6p6 ways. Okay, in 6p6 ways, because number of teachers is 6, they have to take 6 seats, so all the teachers will be selected at a time. So n is equal to 6, r is equal to 6. So 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 factorial, 6 factorial by 0 factorial, isn't it? Okay, now 6 teachers can take their seats in between 2 students in how many ways? In 6p6 ways. Correct? Understood? Therefore, altogether 6 students and 6 teachers can take their seats in how many ways? We'll multiply these 2 numbers by fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting? If one job has been done in m ways and another job has been done in n wage, then this entire job, both the job can be done in m into n wage. So if students can sit in 5p5 wage and teachers can sit in 6x6 wage, so both students and teachers can sit around the round table in how many wage? We will multiply these two numbers. Therefore, 6 students and 6 teachers can sit in how many wage? In 5p5 into 6p6 wage. And this is equal to, let us evaluate it by this formula. 5p5 is 5 factorial by 5 minus 5 factorial into 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 factorial. Hope you are getting the step. Okay, by this formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here n is 5 as well as r is 5. Here n is 6 as well as r is 6. So this is equal to 5 factorial into 6 factorial, because in denominators we are getting 0 factorial and 0 factorial is 1. So 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So which is the answer? Here answer is this option B. So answer is B. Answer is 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Correct? Hope you have got the solution very well. Okay. So we will see some more problems in other videos also. Thank you very much for watching this video.